Hey guys, welcome back to Smowcode. So today I will be teaching you how to debug using Smowcode. Like if you face any errors or if you face any problems using coding anything in Smowcode, and today I will be teaching you how to solve those errors. So let's get started. So one of the problems people face is they cannot use sequential ifs. Like if you just want to uh, output a single thing. If you want to use an if condition, okay, and if you want to display a single thing for the if condition also, and if you want to display the same thing for the else condition also, like this won't be possible. Like if you just try to, no matter how many times you try to join the else condition with the same if condition, it won't join. So the thing which you can do here is, thing which you can do in here is, if you want to, let's just say, if you want to display I for the if condition. And if you want to display same high for the else condition, but you are not able to do it. So the thing which you can do is you just control C, copy it and paste it again, and then correct the if condition to it. So the output will be same. Like if you connect it in the same node or you connect it separately, the output will be same. For if condition, it will display high, and for the else condition also, it will be display high. Okay. So I will just show you. If I take the on-stand tool, also make sure to connect the ESP32 with your laptop, connect the COM port and upload. As you can see, high is being displayed. This is how you solve the condition of ifs for sequential ifs. Now, also if you want to make a big flow, okay, like I will just show you a flow. I have made a code for calculator. Now, if you want to make some big no big codes like this is a code for calculator. If you want to make such big codes, and if you're facing some issues with the output while uploading the code, the thing which you can do is make your code little by little. Okay, so if I will just show you an example again. If you want to make a code for displaying hello world on LCD, like I'm still taking a very simple project, but still let's take a simple project. For example, if you want to make an LCD project with servo motor as well as serial monitor and as well as an on interval event node loop. Okay. So the thing which you can do is, okay, so the code will be basically like on interval, then take a display and then just take an LCD node and then take a servo node. Like I told you, like you also want the servo, like Amazon, right? So for that, you will take a servo node. So basically, this will be the flow. The flow is very easy, but sometimes even no matter how easy your code is, still you will face some issues with the output. So for that thing, the thing which you can do is, first of all, start with simple things. Start with a display node. Like first, if you want to display hello on LCD, first try to display it on the normal display node so that you can at least you can see whether it is going to display on the serial monitor or not. So now if you upload this, as you can see that the hello is getting displayed. Now increase the complications after this. Like serial monitor is done. Now try for LCD. Write the text as high set the STN of the events and try uploading this. After it is verified, then try for servo motor, configure it by clicking on the pencil icon. Okay. Now, after this, you can increase the complication. Like when you are using some complicated nodes, some configuration nodes, and if you are facing with some issues with the output, this is the best thing which you can do. Just make your flow little by little and try and look where the error is occurring. Then you can see exactly what is the error, and like if there is a syntax issue or an expression issue, then you can solve the error thereby. And the best way to debug in Smowcode is to display is by using a display node. Okay, so if you are making an IoT project, okay, and if you want to, you will first connect the Wi-Fi, like always. Just like the Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi, add the configuration, and click on done. Okay. Now the output of the Wi-Fi start, if the Wi-Fi is connected successfully, the output of the Wi-Fi start node will be zero. It won't be one, it will be zero. If it is successful, then you can just try displaying. And the output of this Wi-Fi start node is success code. So if you just display success code here, you will be able to see what even my Wi-Fi is getting connected or not. So if you want to connect your Wi-Fi, then you will have to you want to make a project of digital clock or SMTP or MQTT, HTTP. Like all these nodes need Wi-Fi for them. Okay. So for using the Wi-Fi is the most important node. So you will have to check whether your Wi-Fi is getting connected or not. So this is the most simple example for how to use a display node. Okay. And also if you are using a DAC, and then if you are, let's take for example, read, the output of this will be pin level. So if you want to check what is like before passing on the pin level value to the other nodes, first you will check like is the value appropriate or not? Is it compatible with my code? So for that thing, like just use a display node and you can debug your code likewise. And just go inside it. There is a variable pin level and just connect the string, and that will be. This is how you debug using Smowcode. You just use display nodes. And also sometimes if you are facing some problems with your code, like for example, let's take for example analog read, analog read. Add the configurations, and when you are uploading the code, if the code is showing some verification fail or output failure, etc., now let's try to find the issue. Remove one block for step by step. Remove this block, try uploading it again. If it still isn't working, then try removing the other block and check if it's working again. At some point the code will start working, and then you will get to know exactly what was the error with my code. Like if I just upload this, and if it is showing some error, so you will just delete the analog read node. And if you try to upload it now, let's check what happens. Take it on interval node. That will be much easy because on start node only takes the execution only one times, but we need to execute the code again and again for the balance. So upload it once again. Also make sure to delete the configuration nodes, as I told you in the previous video. Because configuration nodes, if it is left unused, then they will surely show many errors in your existing code. So make sure that you remove the configuration nodes when you try to make a new project. Delete the configuration nodes of the previous project. Now, as you can see, the success code which is getting printed, it is one. And why it is getting printed one? Because the Wi-Fi credentials which are put here, router like the router name, etc., they are wrong. That means if they are wrong, the Wi-Fi is not connected. And if the Wi-Fi is not connected, then the output won't be 0, it will be 1. If Wi-Fi connection is successful, then the output will be 0, and if it is not successful, then it will be 1. So as you can see here, the output is 1. Yes. So this is how you debug using Smowcode. And whenever you make big flows, so just try to implement the display function at every point where you are getting that like this part must be having some errors. So better is to use the display node again and again to check what is the output of this. Now, okay, this part is done. Then now what is the output of this? And likewise, you can find the errors very smoothly. And this is how you debug using Smowcode. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.